Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Review Live. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best Pullman loaf pan on the market. We have done our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. KITSS ESU Pullman Loaf Pan with Lid. Standard size and dishwasher safety. External size 8, 27x4, 80x4. 53 inches. Interior size 7, 5x4x4. 4 inches. The toast pan can load 1 pound of dough. The temperature for the pan is up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. After washing in the dishwasher, dry the bread pan in the oven, making sure the corners retain water and are dried completely in the oven. 2 uses for 1 loaf pan. This loaf pan with a cover can bake square bread and make bread toast. According to your preference, they can make beautiful loaf bread and slices of sandwich bread. You can choose whether to use the cover. Carbon steel bread pan. Our Pullman loaf pans are manufactured with heavy, reliable, and provide durability and fast, food-rated gauge carbon steel. Food-grade silicone coating, non-Teflon release and high temperature, so you can focus on getting delicious things cooking. Non-stick Pullman pan and bottom vent. You can easily pop out bread from a black toast pan without harming its appearance. Pros. Easy to remove. Heat distribution. Easy to use. Easy to clean. Cons. Great pan for 1/2 loaves. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 2. CHEVFMMAD Pullman Loaf Pan with Lid, safe and healthy. Food-grade silicone coating, non-Teflon, no harmful substance release and high temperature, PTFE and PFOA free. Commercial grade, adopts thicken 0. 5 mm carbon steel to accelerate even heat, strengthen edge to convenient use and avoid warping. Ensure longer service life, easy to use. Excellent non-stick can be achieved with less natural cooking oil, less baking time and low energy consumption. Release easier, clean easier. Make you chef, quickly make high-quality family dishes, afternoon tea, banquet desserts, and other delicacies. Easy to deal with daily cooking, family dinner, friends gathering, festival celebrations, etc. Spend less time and have more fun. Best after-sales CHEF made highly values customer satisfaction and tolerates 0 quality issues. If you're not thrilled with its construction or performance, please let us know. We will find a solution, refund or replacement that you satisfy. Pros. Holes in the bottom. Easy to clean. Banana bread. Well made. Cons. Medium/small size. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 3. Biza Pullman Loaf Pan 2-pack. Carbon steel 1 pound bread pan. Our Pullman loaf pans are made with heavy, reliable gauge carbon steel. Non-stick coating, non-Teflon release and high temperature, so you can focus on getting delicious things cooking. Multiple use for 1 loaf pan. Whether you want to make square bread or toast bread, a Biza loaf pan with a cover can handle it easily. Flexible use of the lid according to your needs. The intimate design realizes 2 uses of 1 Pullman bread pan, which makes beautiful regular loaf bread and slices of sandwich bread. Bottom vent design. At the bottom of the vent design, uniform baking, good air permeability is not easy to burn. Furthermore, allows the dough to be heated more evenly and has a richer taste. It is ideal for home bakers, bakeries, restaurants, catering, etc. Note, when you need to bake with batter, you are better to add a piece of parchment. Pros. The coating is coming. Heavy duty. Perfect size. Like my other loaf. Cons. Low-cost pans. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 4. FICEADU Dajuki Pullman Loaf Pan. Pullman Loaf Pan with Lid. This Pullman loaf pan allows you to make different shapes of bread or toast. Bake with a lid and you'll get a well-shaped toast. Bake without a lid for domed bread. Strong and durable. Aluminized steel is a light metal material with excellent thermal conductivity and uniform baking, which can provide better baking performance. Adopts thickened 1 mm carbon steel to accelerate even heat. Non-stick coating. The entire Pullman loaf pan with lid is covered with a non-stick coating made of food-safe materials, food-grade silicone coating, non-Teflon, no harmful substance release and high temperature, PTFE and PFOA free, which has a smooth surface and does not adhere to anything, making it easy to pop the bread out of the Pullman loaf pan without damaging its appearance. Bottom vent. The 5 holes in the bottom of the Pullman Loaf pan are for easy air circulation so that the dough is heated more evenly, has good air permeability, not easy to burn, and saves baking time. Pros: material aluminum, freezer safe, oven safe, shape rectangular. Cons: the lid is very sharp. If you like the product, see the link in the description below. Number 5. Hamavabelli Pullman Loaf Pan with Lid. Quality assurance guaranteed. Professional golden loaf pan with lid in dimensions of 8, 4x4, 5x4. 1. Designed of food-grade non-stick silicone coating, safe for superior baking use. Tips: brush a thin layer of butter on the pan before first use for better use effect and wipe dry with a cloth or kitchen paper. Durable carbon steel and good thermal conductivity. Professional heavy, reliable, food-rated gauge 0. 7mm carbon steel material that is eco-friendly for strength and durability, has good thermal conductivity, and is evenly heated. This loaf pan can not only bake square bread with the cover, but also make bread toast without the lid according to your preference. You can choose whether to use the cover. Intimate design realizes 2 uses of 1 bread pan. Good breathability and easy to demold. The bottom vent design of this baguette toast pan lets moisture escape, has good airflow to heat it more evenly, and has richer tastes. Pros: professional carbon steel material, non-stick food-grade silicone coating, good breathability, easy to release. Cons: worked well but arrived with flaws. Look for the link in the description box below. If there is another product on the market or if you found one worth your purchase, let us know in the comment section. If you would like to see a future review, also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you'll know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Reviewly channel.